Your CrossWave Cordless Max vacuums and washes area rugs and hard floors. We'll show you how to wash your hard floors in this video. Once you turn on your machine, select Hard Floor Mode. Use the Mode button to switch from hard floor to area rug mode as needed. Recline the machine to start the brush roll spinning. Just stand your CrossWave up to stop the brush roll. Before each clean, make sure to hold the trigger for 10 seconds to prime the system. Hold the spray trigger to apply the cleaning solution for one full pass, moving both forward and backward over the area you are cleaning. When the formula is flowing, you'll see bubbles forming at the edges of the brush roll window. For challenging and stuck-on messes, switch to area rug mode to increase the flow of solution. Hold your CrossWave over the stubborn mess while holding the spray trigger. Using short passes while holding down the trigger, the multi-surface brush roll will go to work. If you notice your CrossWave leaving too much water on your floor or you would like your floors to dry faster, release the spray trigger and go over your previously cleaned area with full dry pass. With these easy steps, you are well on your way to getting a better, quicker clean with CrossWave Cordless Max.